Today we're going to be making miniature Christmas tree decorations for my retro pink tree in a teacup. Hi, welcome back to my channel. We're going to start off by making miniature Christmas ornaments. And for that, we'll need beads. Lots of them. I went through them and picked some of the beads I thought would make good ornaments. For this bead, I tried just putting it on a head pin that's used in jewelry making, but the bead hole was too large. And this happened to be the case with some of the beads, which is why some of the miniature ornaments for the tree are made of stacks of beads, instead of just singular ones. Once the beads were in place, I used jewelry pliers to make a loop and trim off the excess wire. Then I repeated this step multiple times. At first I was going to decorate this tree with only pink, red, and white ornaments and kind of make it a theme. But since I wanted this to look more retro, I decided to add more colors. And then I went through my holiday button collection to see what can be transformed into a miniature ornament. I found some things, including some charms. For the tree skirt, I traced the outline of another teacup from the same set. Then I used that as a guide to cut out a piece of white felt. I cut the center to form a hole for the base of the tree to go around, and then I cut a line up the back. Then I hand sewed pink sequins around the edges. And I placed decorative pink sequins in the center. Next, I placed it under the tree. Now it's time to decorate. This is so much fun. I wrapped a string of pink beads around the tree for garland. And I made little S-shaped ornament hooks out of jewelry wire. Then I decorated the tree. And that's it. I really love how this tree turned out, and I love that all the decorations are completely removable. So if I decide in the future to make the tree a different theme, I can very easily just replace the ornaments. But let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time.